to worry. I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you'd see my worth.
Di na ako hahanap ng iba. Napakaganda mo na malakas makaakit. Para kang anghel na umaawit sa langit. Aabutin kita kahit maraming balakid, kasi mahalaga ika'y mapasakit.
Sama-sama tayo at walang maiiwanan. Kung may problema, tayo lang. Di naman na magtutulungan.
Yeah. Sila ay makukulit at sumasabay sa trip. Yan ang aking mga tropang di ko pagpapalit. Sa hirap man o sa ginhaway, laging nasa tabi ko. Kaya tinuring kong pangalawang pamilya.
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me. In the days your love so amazing, it's not a phase. I want you to stay with me. On my side, I solo, under my pride. Your love is so sweet.
Habang ako'y dahan-dahan nahuhulog sa iyong mga titig na kay lambi. Ngunit ang puso ko nalilito pa rin. Hindi ko mapaliwanagan nararamdaman sapagkat ako'y bata.
1, 2, 3, go!
Pag naririnig mo to, nasa kabilang punta kami ng hinahanap mo. Pamparam, pam pam, pamparam, param. Sumabay lang sabay, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Pam pam, pam, pamparam, param. Gawa namin ito habang bilog din ang buwan. Sumabay lang sabay, ang sarap sa pakiramdam.
Hintay ka ba? Wala na, it's a prank.
About you, friend, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
I want you to be mine again, baby. I know my lifestyle is driving you crazy. I cannot see myself without you. We call them fans down, you know what we do. I go out of my way to please you. I go out of my way to see you. And I want you to be mine again, baby.
I love you, boy.
I love you too.
It's you and I.
Baby, it's me and you.
And no matter what they say,
No matter.
I'ma love you every single day.
Let's go.
KK, palaging sinusuyo. Di naman alam kung bakit parating tinatoyo. Malamang dahil sa akin. Ang cute mo pag galit, di nakakairita. Kahit na gano'n ka man araw-araw, mahal pa rin kita.
So we gon' keep climbing to the mountaintop.